a free oximeter for every Singapore home. Why? You may have COVID-19 but still feel well, and you could even have silent COVID pneumonia. Even when you feel okay, your blood oxygen levels can become dangerously low. This may damage your vital organs. When you check your oxygen levels regularly, you will know what your normal oxygen levels are. You can use an oximeter to check your oxygen levels. Make sure your oximeter has batteries in it. Put your finger fully inside the probe clip. Press the on button. Wait a few seconds for the reading. SpO2 is your oxygen level. Don't mix this up with your pulse rate. If your oxygen level is between 95 and 100%, you are within the normal range. If readings are between 90 and 94%, you may need more oxygen. Call a doctor. If your readings are below 90%, this may mean you need urgent treatment. Go to an accident and emergency department immediately or call 995 for an ambulance. Some people may normally have low oxygen levels, such as smokers, asthmatics, or patients with other medical conditions. Your oximeter readings may be inaccurate if you have trembling hands or are wearing nail varnish. Ask your doctor if you have any medical questions. Here's how to collect your free oximeter. First, look for the Stay Prepared leaflet that will be delivered to your letterbox by Saturday, 3rd July. Collection begins from Monday, 5th July and runs until Thursday, 5th August. There's plenty of stock, so there's no need to rush. Bring the leaflet to select outlets of these supermarkets and pharmacies. If you need help, call our hotline, email us, or visit our website. In partnership with Singapore Post and SP Group. Supported by our supermarket and pharmacy distribution partners. Brought to you by Temasek Foundation's Stay Prepared initiative.